So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes. And now this will come up. And now once you run this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first, you want to expand HK local machine. And now you want to expand software. And now you want to expand Microsoft. And now you want to expand Windows. You want to scroll down till we find Windows. You want to expand Windows. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. Now you want to expand current version. And now you want to click on run. Scroll down till we find the run folder. Click on this. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the run folder. And now once we're here, you want to right click on the white space and then click on new and then click on string value. You want to call this Ctfmon, all in lowercase, and then click on enter. And now once we have Ctfmon, you want to double click on it. And now in the value data, just copy and paste the file path that will be down below in the description. Or you could just write it if you want to, but it's going to be down below in the description. Just highlight it, do Ctrl+C to copy it, come back to here, and then do Ctrl+V to paste it, and then click on OK. For the last step, just restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.